Need to fix the SAM Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before we dive into the SAM library manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the SAM library. It provides the API for managing localized user accounts and password hashes. It interfaces directly with the lsass.exe process. If this file is corrupted, the Windows login screen may hang, or users may receive access denied errors when attempting to run software with administrative privileges, as the system cannot verify the local security tokens. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. When a core file like SAM Library DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered SAM library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for SAM Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining SAM library. If your workstation is back online and SAM library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.